Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of our CapCut editing series. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to cut part of your own video as an introduction. For example, maybe you are introducing a particular video that you are making and you do not have any other footage that you want to use as an introduction, and you wish to use part of your own video as introduction, and how you are going to cut it. That is what I'm going to show in CapCut today. And don't forget that the best way to learn is to download and learn along. Don't just be watching. You learn by doing things. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. And when you open your CapCut, we are going to select which project that we are going to use. So this is the video I want to use as an example. In this video, I was talking about how to invite guests into your OBS studio, maybe during your live streaming, or you are doing an interview. You want to do interview on your page and you want to bring in your guests. This is what I was talking on this video. So as I was making that introduction, I want to bring in something to describe what I really want to do. And so I have to put it into introduction. That is exactly what I'm going to do. So what you are going to do is, once you are in that your video, you will tap on it. You will not tap on it. You scroll to go and see the place that you want to use. Let's just scroll a little bit. I want to bring in these two people first. Then what you are going to do is you will just find a way to cut it. Once you see it, just tap on it. Split it. I have taught us how to split video. So it is something that we have done already. Then you drag it to the place where the two, then you see you have the two already on your screen. So what you are going to do is you have to duplicate it, because you don't want to remove it from the video. You want to just use part of it for yourself during your introduction. So you have to duplicate it. So how do you duplicate it? You scroll here. You scroll down at the toolbars here to go and look for duplicate. You can see duplicate here. Then tap on duplicate. You see that I have two of it. The next thing that you will do, you are going to use it as an overlay. So as you see it here, you go again and go and look for overlay. So let's go down and look more for overlay. See, you can see overlay here. It's like a scissors. So you tap on it. You see that it brought it down. So what you're going to do is you drag it to the beginning of that video, as you can see. So if you go to that video here, you will see it. Okay, but the error is that you need to remove the audio from that one. If you do not remove that audio, it's not going to work. You have double audio. For example, listen to it from the beginning now to hear what I'm saying. Like streaming one. Did you see? We have double audio. So that's why we need to remove the audio from this overlay. So how do we remove audio? You tap on that audio. Then when you tap on that video, you scroll like this, go and look for extract audio. So we are going to look for extract audio. As you can see here, this is extract audio. When you tap on extract audio, the audio will be removed. As you can see here, this is the audio extracted from that overlay. So what you are going to do, you are going to delete that audio because you don't want to hear it. So you tap on it, then you see delete button here and tap on delete. The audio has been removed. Let's listen to it again. Live streaming, or you want to do interview, and did you see you are not hearing the other audio again? It's not there anymore. So let me do one more again for us. So I'm going to bring in this one that we have 3 again. So what you're going to do is you are going to cut it. You are going to cut that place again. So we have 3 here. Where we have 3 is what we want to work on now. So in this place, we have 3 here. We want to use that place of 3. So you have to do what? You duplicate again. Split and go and look for duplicate. You see, duplicate. We have duplicated it into 2. So this second one, we do what? We bring it down as an overlay. So the overlay is here. You tap it, it comes down. Okay. You can decide to extract the voice immediately. Okay. I just want to use that one as an example. So you tap on it. You tap on it to extract the voice. So you scroll to where you can extract voice. See, extract audio. So you can see the audio here. The audio is here. You tap on it. Okay. So you delete the audio. So what you are going to do is you now bring that overlay. You tap on it. Then you can, so this it, you drag it to where you want to put it so that it will just be 2 people. Okay, it will not be 2 people, it will be just be 3 people. So okay, so let's play it again now. Okay, let's play it again. Live streaming, or you want to do interview and you want to invite a guest, either 1, 2 or group of people, how can you bring them in? You see, that is how to make an overlay within the video that you have already edited, so that you can use as it what you want them to see how to do at the end. You have already introduced it at the beginning. That is the purpose of that I am teaching us. So I think with that we are able to learn something today. So let me know in the comment section what you have learned, and then I will see you in my day 11. And that is it for today. And I hope you have learned something from today's tutorial. If you have, then this is the assignment for today. Make sure you try this on your video, and the video that you tried it, tag me in the comment section so that I can come and check it out. Okay, so thank you for watching. My name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.